Okay, so before we continue with the course, we need to take a little uh, we need to check the API reference, the documentation, so we see which endpoints we are going to call, how we are going to call them, and basically how we use them, the parameters we need, and how they work. So to go to the API reference, you basically click this question mark button or icon, and then you select API reference. Now you will see that here you get this page with some overview, how to subscribe to the API, and the API reference. Now we hit complete API reference. It is going to take us to this page. We click the operations, and you will see that in here we have all of the operations that we are able to access through the video indexer API. So let's say that the first thing we are going to do is actually listing videos. So if we want to list videos, we need to find something here that allows us to list videos. So we have here this get list videos, and you will see that we can actually try here, and we can specify some of the parameters in here: the location, the account ID. We are going to, well, if we are going to do search by date ranges, we can put the create after, create before. Uh, if we are going to have allow paging, we get page size. Um, and then this is to skip because basically you need to set it like how many you are going to skip and how many items you need to retrieve. These are optional parameters, and then you can set the access token. Uh, okay, then you are able to set and request headers. You are able to set the XMS client request ID. This is only for instrumentation purposes. And then you are able to set the subscription key. The subscription key actually, if you go back, the subscription key is basically, you can select it. If you go to this page, you will see that as soon as you were here, you saw the sign in. When you sign in, you will see that here you will have profile, and in the profile you are actually able to generate a subscription. So if you go to products, you are going to create your keys or your product. If you don't have anything at the moment, you are only going to see this authorization, and then you will not see anything in here, and you will need to add a subscription. So uh, video portal course subscription. Okay. Uh, well, you should see all of the terms, and then you can confirm. Now you will see that here I have this video portal course subscription, and we are able to see our keys if we hit show, and we are able to regenerate them also in case we need to regenerate them. Okay, so that's basically how to create our subscription, how to create our the resources we are going to need. And the next video we are going to create the actual automated test for the get account access token, which is going to be a token we need to pass to the list videos endpoint, as we saw when we were looking at the documentation for the list videos endpoint. We will need to pass the subscription key, and for some of these we are going to need to pass the access token. Okay, so yeah, in the next video we are going to implement the automated test. Thank you very much and have a great day.